shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty, okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag. Okay, shorty, 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 okay, shorty. Go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag, go to that bag.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Cherie, and I'm back with another video. Today the video will be a little different because I'm going to be doing an unboxing. You will have already seen by the title, but it's going to be the Chi Triple Curl Pink. It's an interchangeable, what does it say, 3-in-1 curling set. And so it has 3 pieces, well actually 1 curler and 2 wands. And this is the only one with the clamp to tighten your hair. So I don't really know how to use the other ones. And I've been scared to use wands since I saw that little white girl who tried to curl the little side of her hair. And she pulled the curler away and her hair was still attached. It was so funny, but it's something that I always think about when I think of using a wand curler. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be using that one. I'm for sure that the one in the middle will be used the most. So we'll see what this is about and if it's worth the money. I know it's on sale at Ulta right now, or well, it was on sale at Ulta for like $129. So hopefully it should work well. So let's see. I've never in my life purchased a an interchangeable curling iron where you just keep the base and change to different. I've never used those. I don't know how well they work, but I guess I'm about to find out. And right from jump, I'm noticing that it only has an on and off switch. Like it doesn't have a heat temperature regulator thing. So it doesn't let you set the temperature. I don't like that. So what, they think everybody uses the same? I don't know. Well, let's see how it works first before I start complaining. Okay, so it says it reaches up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and I usually use 390 with my curling iron, so I guess it's not that bad. Hopefully it won't get to where it's like scorching. I've always used this. This is like my favorite curler of all time, and it just died the last time I tried to use it, so this is what prompted me to buy this. But I thought this would also have the clamp thing where I can actually straighten my hair along with curl it. So this must be the only one that you can use for a straightener, and then you use the 2 side ones for curling. I don't know exactly how they work. Maybe I should have read the directions, but I don't think you have to be a rocket scientist to figure out how to curl your hair. I don't know, hopefully it won't be a bad outcome, but I'll see how that goes. It came with this. Let's see what this is about. Oh, so it's just like a carrying bag, and it has the thermal stuff in the inside to keep the curlers from burning, like whatever it is that you're packing it with. So that's neat. Okay, so I don't know which one to start out with. Maybe the one that I'm more comfortable with, or should I do it the other way around? I'll start with the middle one just so that we can see exactly how everything works. Yeah, like I said, this one will get used the most for sure. Well, let's see how this all works. Okay, so it's 3. And sorry for my dogs, my puppies in the background. They need some attention, and I'm doing this right now, so they'll be making noise probably throughout the duration of the video. Oh, okay, so for this you just clamp it on. And then you, maybe I thought you, oh, okay. And then you just twist to lock it. Why don't I feel anything locking? Maybe I do need to be a rocket scientist. Oh, I turned it the wrong way. Duh. Banana smoothie. Just bananas and almond milk. I've been trying to eat better because this quarantine has given me a few unwanted pounds, and I am a chocolate fanatic. So I'm trying to use this to see if it'll help curb my sweet tooth. And I mean, it works sometimes, but I do have a box of M&Ms in the freezer on reserve just in case. Okay, so I'm about to plug this up. Oh, the cord is super long, which is a plus. So I'll plug this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so first, what I don't like is that I just turned it on. I combed my hair down. I'm not taking off my hat because it's like a nightmare up under here, as you can kind of see. So I'm just going to use the hair that's out to test these things. But as I was saying, there's no indicator. So you know how most curlers, the light will flash until it reaches its desired temperature or whatever. Oh, well, maybe because there is no temperature setting. So yeah, it's just the light stays on the whole time. I don't know if it's hot enough. I don't know if it's ready for use, but we'll see. Let's see if there's any smoke. Oh, not really. Okay, I don't know why I'm procrastinating. Let's see what it does. I think it looks worse over here, so I will try a piece from the wild side. Okay. All right. Might take a little work to tame the ends, but my hair wasn't like straightened out or anything already, so I guess this is okay. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I guess maybe, yeah, I would have needed to take smaller pieces because, or maybe it's just not hot enough, but there's no way to tell. So let's separate this piece to see how cute. Yeah, it's okay. Let me try it on this side, which is easier for me. Okay. I'll just do it right from here. Which I think you can get a good enough view. Clearly I can't go up to the root because my hat is on, but I think this is good enough. So, I mean, I like how it's like the perfect size bear or handle. Like I can grip it really easily, if that makes sense. Oh yeah, it's gonna be my new best friend right here. So I already like this. I don't even need to do any more. You can see that it straightened it out and it makes a big difference. I'm gonna try this barrel thing. Please wish me luck. I am terrified. I'm gonna insert a little clip of the girl that I was talking about. Yeah, I think me and my friend laughed at her for a couple years after we saw that, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I'll be right back. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm scared, like shooketh, but nonetheless I committed to the video. Let's see what it do. This is gonna be quick. I'm not doing the other one. I'm just gonna do this one because it's the first one that I grabbed, and it's the same process for the other one anyway, so it'll be kind of senseless. I don't know, I'm afraid. Like, how do you know how long to if this whole thing comes out, I'm gonna die. Okay. Oh, I like it. Wait. Hold on. I literally was just gonna do one curl and in the video, but I think this, hold on. I wish I would have paid attention to how long I left it wrapped around there, because this thing scares me. I don't even know if it's how you're supposed to do it. I'm just counting to 3. Okay, maybe I chickened out too fast, but I'll try it one more time. Or I'll just use a smaller piece of hair. What have I been missing all of these years? Two, 3. Oh my God. I swear. I just scared myself. I'm not using that no more. I mean, this one curl is cute. This is what you'll get if you know what you're doing. I'll let somebody use this on me. I don't trust myself to use it. I don't know how long to leave it on. Or maybe I'll just read the instructions and go from there. Okay, y'all. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and ring that bell.